for my class. They have one job and one job off.
Come on, dude.
Copyright and editing. Call 800-501-3689 now for your free author submission kit. That's 800-501-3689 for your free author submission kit. Again, 800-501-3689.
This is the story of Julie Gio. She's a Leukemia and Lymphoma Society advocate and the mother of a child who battled blood cancer. Zach was diagnosed with AML, untitled leukemia, when he was only 5. He died at just 9 years old, really from the treatment that was meant to save him. Today, the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society is pioneering breakthrough treatments for kids with cancer. Visit LLS.org and save a child's life. Furnished by LLS.
Hey, Greg, I'm so sorry to hear about your brother's heart attack. Thanks. He's okay now, but it really got me thinking about my family, you know.
And only thinking it's about us.
That car has it right away, and she's just not moving.
Deceased life, but the event and the coming together is so important.
Okay, so it really is, and you know, literally outside of wartime, this has never happened at this scale.
Where do these people come from?
Individual cities that have been hit.
You know, if you want to drive slower than me, you should do it behind me. Don't speed up to keep me from passing.
Times, with an entire national championship tournament that was supposed to take place literally all 4 quarters.
And they get ticked off that I've got in front of you.
West Coast and games, on the East Coast and everywhere in between. This is unprecedented.
And then return to your slow speed.
What markers do officials use to predict when a virus peak will occur? So, for example, when they predict the peak in the U.S. will be in late April or early May.
Tournament. Blessed takes on Miami at noon in the SEC tournament. Georgia battles Ole Miss. Coverage at 6:35 tomorrow night, right here on News Talk.
Well, isn't he special?
WGAC Sports Updates at 20 before and 20 after. Steve Smith, 2020 Sports. When children experience traumatic events, they
And now he's passing another one.
Recognizing the signs of childhood trauma is an
Like I say, I'll be calling. You've been talking about it.
Oh yeah, we've been talking about it a lot, and the world's talking about it. But again,
Are you really going to try to pass
I
me?
believe the barometer on this.
Are you that stupid?
But the good news is, we have a solution. Comcast Business Security Edge, a security solution that automatically protects all the devices on your network. No additional installation or updates needed. The security is built directly into your internet, so every connected device is protected from things like phishing, malware, and risky sites. And it all starts on the nation's largest gig speed network. Right now, get 75 megabit internet for $49.95 per month for 2 years.
And editing. Call 800-501-3689 now for your free author submission kit. That's 800-501-3689 for your free author submission kit.
This really isn't the one that'd be driving like an idiot.
3689.
Oh, sweet. Father.
God forbid something like this gets started. Oh my Lord, it's impossible to contain.
Blackvue for Marshall and
Put your phone down.
Sheriff of Richmond County, and they're based.
Put down your phone and drive.
Based on what we did, and all But you can.
And wash your hair.
If I put back in my director view, I might go out for interview.
American Airlines is also offering waivers to change flight plans between March 1st and March 16th. The Columbia County Chamber of Commerce is getting behind the rule of T-Splost. It's the penny per gallon gas tax that's financed a slew of road construction and repair projects since voters in 13 area counties approved it 8 years ago.
Now you're going to the left lane to drive slow.
Shepard says there's a website listed.
Taking on trips and be the adults in the room kind of thing for parties and formals and whatnot. And somehow, and God knows I would never in a million years take this responsibility, but mom and dad signed on to be the chaperones for that sorority's trip to Myrtle Beach. And would you, I need to get my dad on the air when they talk about this. This really is crazy. Can you imagine dedicated to using the best chicken out there from Joyce Farms and dedicating themselves on a constant daily basis to the best service in the restaurant industry in Augusta. And they should know because they're related to the very best chain of restaurants in the area under one ownership. That's the Hogs have farm everything. It's stop there. Loading stuff. So they've got something that's where you can order on the pickup doors. Logging in. Great food. Wonderful atmosphere.
Man, that left lane is not being friendly to him.
Money is a popular choice. Time always seems the choice. From there. My assessment of her is that not only would you be excited as a Democrat voting for her because she is a liberal, she is a black woman. And you know what else she is? She's a big girl. Every big girl in America.
Come on, what is this person's problem?
Trump's tweet, Saudi Arabia, Russia arguing over the price for oil and that.
You got the car in the front who's driving way under the speed limit, and then this guy in the Honda who's really impatient.
Try to pass, and I know passing's over.
And weaving side to side.
And he's understood by range and what this is and way.
It's late, we're there long. Animals. I can hear that white damn.
He'll speed up when it's 2 lanes.
White.
It's oil. See? Now they're going 55.
Savings of the year during the 52nd Spring Sale at CSRA Camperland on Washington Road in Martinez. We sell fun.
Southeastern Residential provides real estate services for
this guy in front of me is going to turn into the left lane.
Purchasing a home is one of the largest financial decisions you make, so they're committed to providing exceptional service to their clients from the beginning of your home search to the closing. Southeastern Residential specializes in new home communities and residential resales. With the best marketing strategies, technologies, and negotiating skills, Southeastern will bring you home. Stop by 4024 Washington Road.
It has led to undermining public confidence, and it has led to a precipitous drop-off in demand in the general economy as people become unsettled from completely mixed messages coming from our leadership in the country.
That's one of my safety rules. If you see somebody do something stupid, you should expect them to do something else stupid.
Politics to live and to be fighting this disease is because we've got...
Stay in your lane!
And as our economy goes, so does the rest of the world's going. That's another little thing we need to do. If America tanks, the rest of the world...
And let Gerald assist you with tips for your space, your style, your Benjamin Moore.
Governor Kemp's statewide.
Well, that was a crazy last-second decision.
This already sounds like a big job to figure out if the parts you use every day in cars.
Alrighty, we are back. The Austin Road Show on a rainy Monday. Whoa. Rainy day on a Monday. Very fitting to be Karen Carpenter.
That's why last-second decisions are stupid.
You know, when I said the people complaining, Democrat and Republican have complained about comic drugs.
The talented
has his own hype song.
I'm the best beyond belief. I got strength and got the speed.
I got that entire workforce, complete with different hours.
A lot of those folks stayed on with the department for many, many years, not the least of which include Ronnie Strength and Sid Hatfield and Ken Autry and many other fine officers.
Justice stated January 30, 2017, while General Flynn was still in the White House, that completely exonerates him of all things Russia.
I guess people from Ohio don't know what that line means either.
Degree in as little as 16 months, 100% online. Find out more. Text DRIVE to 79645. Start on the path to earning your MBA or business analytics.
They got as far as the merchandise pavilion
and the horn blew.
They got threw off, but then they waited.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Edgefield Road. Continue on I-20 East for 13 miles.
Make up your mind. That's not good.
Down the middle, even the better half.
Well, it all sounds sort of funny, but it hurts too much to laugh at
I think your car done blowed up, honey.
Well, it's pollen season, that's for sure.
Really?
Yeah, I can see some signs.
Executives of the Enron prosecution, and in the process of doing that, I recognized a core group of prosecutors who behaved so differently than the way I was raised in the Department of Justice.
You don't have time to buy gas, but you got time to find somebody to pull your truck to the gas station.
They were hiding
And the Lucky Devil Lounge, a Portland, Oregon strip club, has begun a meal delivery service in which dancers bring food directly to your door. It's called Boober Eats. What next? Fist bump dance.
It made it that much harder for the president to try to be optimistic.
After having studied it so hard,
Did he say optimistic?
there's some real light at the end of the tunnel, but this is going to be a very painful.
At GNC, eugenic samples are not available in stores, so text CAR to 42424 right now. Text CAR to 42424. Text CAR.
Are your customers so stupid they can't spell car?